Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G. Gareth here. Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making a wreath card, but a wreath card for the spring and summer season. I have a wreath card tutorial playlist which I will link at the end. We do wreath cards at Christmas and that type of thing, but we don't tend to do them any other time of the year. And wreaths we use throughout the year, so I wanted to do a wreath card for the spring or summer season. I'm going to do a 6x4 card, so I'm just going to score my card, which is currently 4x12. I'm using my embossing stylus available from my store, and my bone folder also available. Now I've cut my inserts and everything, so I'm all prepped. The only thing I have to do is cut out or punch out my branch pieces. Now I like to, it's just personal preference, but I like to round two corners of my card for some reason. I don't know why, I just think it adds something to the card. So I'm going to do that with all my card base and my two inserts. So I've got an insert which is about 1/8 of an inch smaller, and I have my white which is slightly smaller than slightly larger spacing. I've also got a 2-inch round circle which I've punched out. I have some green card here, and I'm simply going to punch out a whole heap of these. Now this is the Martha Stewart branch punch, and I know it's discontinued, but EK Success do one, and I know that MayMayMadeIt.com stocks it. You could probably get it from Amazon, maybe eBay, so have a look around. I know it is available, and I know there are a few other variations. So I'm just going to continue to chomp out some of these, because these are going to be the basis of my wreath. So I need some more of this green, this tone. Okay, I think that might be enough for now. And I've got from my store a whole heap of flat back embellishments. So I have both of the style bows. Now one's flat back and one's 3D, because I thought I could put a bow on there. I have the gold tone and white enamel with rhinestone metal embellishments. I have the 3D flat back cream coloured flower. I have some flower buttons I thought I could use. And I've also got the pearlized flower with the rhinestone in the centre, and that's that one there. So I'm not too sure which ones. I have made some others, so I can go through those all with you using the different products. So just to show you what it looks like. The reason I've cut out this 2-inch circle is to make my wreath. Now once I stick this down, you don't realise that it's a separate piece of paper. But I like to do this so I can get my wreath to look the way I want it. So I can have, bits of foliage going off the wreath, going, inside the wreath. And, you can't necessarily always do that when the wreath is on the card. So this way I'm creating the wreath, and I can simply just glue this onto my card base, and because it's the same colour as my card base, you don't notice any difference. Because I do like my wreaths to be full, just like in real life. When I create a wreath, I like them to be nice and full. I mean, it is a branch punch, but I think it works really well for wreaths on cards, that type of thing. Okay, now let's have a look. I do like having these on there, but these little white ones go really well as well. I was thinking of alternating them maybe, and I just stick these on using the art glitter glue because that seems to work fine. Okay, I like that, but first of all let me glue down all my inserts. Right, I'm going to stick this down, and again just using the art glitter glue to stick it down. See, once it's stuck down, you don't see that it was originally a separate piece of paper. Okay, so using the art glitter glue, I'm going to put one each in each corner, so to speak. I know wreaths don't have corners, but almost treat it as if they were corners, and then in between these enamel ones I will stick another blob of art glitter glue, and I will place in the smaller paralysed ones. I'll bring it up to the camera so you can see them. And then what I've been doing is just highlighting the corner, and I think I'll just put another one of these in. So I'm just going to bring it up so you can see the embellishments. And then using the Nuvo Hybrid ink, which I got from momomade.com, and this is the Safari Green, I'm using a sentiment that says thank you. Oops, just dropping my, because obviously I make a lot of thank you cards because I send thank you cards with orders. And stamp thank you. And that is as simple as it is. But there you go. This is definitely more a spring summer wreath card because it's the lighter greens and it's got the flowers as opposed to Christmas ornaments or Christmas colours. Just let me I'll go through the other ones that I've created. So here's one using the quite large 3D cream flowers, and what I'd done by mistake, I was actually stamping happy birthday, so I've corrected that by putting this at the bottom here. But they're all the same, they've all got the same sort of idea. And then here's one using the buttons, and I've just kind of highlighted the corner with, and then here's another one, and then I use one of the bows, and then this one's slightly bigger, so I just put in the pearlized with the rhinestones and 3 down there. So I just think they look very elegant, and I think they're ideal for this time of the year. If you recreate this, crafters, please come over to Creative Home with G on Facebook and share it. In fact, come and share any of your crafts. We're happy to see them. Request to join, and myself and my admins will add you as soon as we can. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.